First word. Exact. Exact means सटीक. Let's see one example. Give me exact size of your cloth. मुझे अपने कपड़े का सटीक आकार दें. Second word. Because. Because means इसलिए. Let's see one example. I like you because you are wise. तुम बुद्धिमान हो इसलिए मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूं. Third word. Test. Test means परीक्षा. Let's see one example. You need 40 marks in test. आपको टेस्ट में 40 अंक चाहिए. Fourth word. Extremely. Extremely means अत्यंत. Let's see one example. He is extremely angry. वह अत्यंत गुस्से में है. Fifth word. Acres. Acres means एकड़ जमीन. Let's see one example. I have 1 acres. मेरे पास 1 एकड़ है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.